Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on UGC NTA-NET paper first. Here I have included most expected multiple choice questions on higher education. जी हाँ, ये part 16 है in series. Now let us come directly to the question. Question number 1. At the time of independence, there were how many universities? A10, B15, C18, D20. The correct option is B15. 2. The future of education in India depends on options दिए हुए हैं A. Society, B. Government, C. Family or D. Economy. Correct option is B. Government. Third, which thinker have not accepted that the state has an ethical purpose? Options हैं A. Karl Marx, B. Gandhi, C. Aristo, D. Lasky. So here correct option is A. Karl Marx. For which year a committee on decentralized management of education was appointed? A. August 1992, B. February 1993, C. March 1993 or D. April 1993. Correct option is B. February 1993. 5. In which year grant in aid system was introduced? The correct option is C. 1857. 6. When was Indian University Commission appointed? A. 1956, B. 1902, C. 1946 or D. 1905. Correct option is B. 1902. 7. The method of summated rating for increasing attitudes was developed by A. Thurston in 1932, B. Shape in 1929 or C. Likert. D. Thurston and Shape both as co-authors. So here correct option is D. Thurston and Shape both as co-authors. 8. The Charter Act of 1813 provided how much as annual expenditure for the revival and promotion of literature in India? A. 1 lakh, B. 2 lakh, C. 3 lakhs of rupees or D. 4 lakhs. So यहाँ पर correct option है A. 1 lakh rupees. 9. Who gave his reports on general education in 1937? A. Anja, B. Wood, C. Mudaliar, D. Dr. Zakir Hussain. Correct option is B. Wood. 10. In which year the review committee on curriculum was appointed? Correct option is B. 1976. 11. Where is NDT Women University situated? Bombay. Correct option is B. 12. When was Ishwar Bhai Ji Patel, in fact Ishwar Bhai Ji Patel, committee was appointed? A. 1975, B. 1976, C. 1977 or D. 1978. Correct option is C. 1977. 13. During 1901-02, there were how many arts and professional colleges in India? Correct option is D. 191. 14. Sankhya theory of education is also known as Prakriti Parinamvada. Correct option is B. 15. Chairman of revised National Policy of Education Committee was, correct option is C. Janardhan Reddy. 16. NPE document consists of A. 3 parts, B. 7 parts, C. 12 parts or D. 20 parts. Correct option is C. 12 parts. That is National Policy on Education. 17. Who founded Royal Asiatic Society of Bengal in Calcutta in 1784? A. Warren Hastings, B. Johann Duncan, C. William Jones or D. Sir Richard. Correct option is C. William Jones. 18. In which year the Indian University Act was passed? Correct option is D. 1904. 19. When was National Open School established? A. 1975, B. 1986, C. 1989, or D. 1990? Correct option is C. 1989. 20. What was the title of teacher in the Vedic period? A. Acharya, B. Guru, C. Shiksha, D. Brahma. Correct option is A. Acharya. The term of reference of Mudaliar Commission was, correct option is B. Secondary education. 22. According to Wood's dispatch, the medium of instruction should be A. Only English, B. Only Sanskrit, C. Only vernaculars, D. English and vernaculars. Correct option is D. English and vernaculars. Vernaculars means जो वहाँ की लोकल लैंग्वेज है उस पर्टिकुलर स्टेट की इंग्लिश और वहाँ के जो लोकल इनफैक्ट लैंग्वेज उस स्थान पर बोली जाती है उसको हम वर्नाकुलर्स बोलते हैं। तो दोनों भाषाओं में पढ़ाई होनी चाहिए। 23. Ballavi was a famous education was registered as a society in 700 AD. Correct option is C. Kendriya Vidyalaya Sansthan was registered as a society in December 1965. Correct option is B. 15. Work experience is a training for, correct option is C, participation in productive work for earning. A or C or B, cooperation in have work, or D, participation in factory, or D, all of the above. Correct option is C, participation in productive work for earning. 26. Expenditure in primary education in 7th plan. A. 2,849 crores of rupees, B. 1832 crores of rupees, C. 1,083 crores of rupees, or D. 7,630 crores of rupees. Correct option is A. 2,849 crores of rupees. 27. Most of the important factor in educational instruction according to the commission is, correct option is A, teacher. 28. What was the medium of education in Vedic period? Correct option is B, Sanskrit. 29. Where is Khudabaksh Oriental Public Library situated? Correct option is C, Jhansi. 30. Which commission recommended the induction of applied science and technology in the university course? Sadler Commission. Correct option is B. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it. और यदि आपको पसंद आया हो तो आप हमारा YouTube चैनल R Classes सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.